Question 1. John has 27 pencils and crayons in his bag. 2/3 of his pencils are equals to 1/3 of his crayons. So question A is asking for how many crayons there are in his bag. So we know that this is actually an identical fraction question because we know that 2/3 of his pencils are equals to 1/3 of his crayons. So let's write this out. 2/3 of pencils is equals to 1/3 of crayons. So since we are dealing with identical fractions, we always want to make the numerators of both fractions the same so that we can compare their denominators. So between 2 and 1, their common multiple is 2. So how do we get 2 from 1? We multiply it by 2. So we have to do the same for the denominator. So 3 times 2 gives us 6. So we know now that the numerators are the same, we can compare their denominators. So we know that pencils have 3 units, while crayons have 6 units. And the question states that John has 27 pencils and crayons. So the sum of these units actually represents 27. So 9 units represents 27. So now we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 27 divided by 9, and that gives us 3. So we can solve part A. The number of crayons is 6 units, and 6 units represents 6 times 3, which gives us 18. So that is your answer for A. Now moving on to part B. How many more crayons than pencils does he have? So, difference in number of crayons and pencils. And this would be the difference in their units. So 6 units minus 3 units gives us 3 units. And 3 units represents 3 times 3, which gives us 9. So he has 9 more crayons than pencils. And this is your final answer.